My imagination runs very wild, and when I read books, it goes even like wilder in a good way. So sometimes when I'm either pulling or if I have a moment in the show where I can see what's going on stage, my mind starts conjuring up like stories and stuff from that one particular scene. Like for example, so the adagio, when I see Elena and Sekove do it, in my head, Elena is really gone. Like she doesn't exist in this world. She's really gone. And what you're seeing on stage is the ghost of her. And Sekove is the one he hasn't let go of his grief yet. He's still holding on to the grief, and every day that scene replays. Like that's the last memory he has of Elena. He has of her like going up into the sky, coming down, going back into the book, because maybe while she was alive they liked to read books together. Like he's in a hallucination. Like none of it is real, but it's all happening in his head, and we're just like spectators, we're watching it. And then when the silk comes out after they end their adagio, in my head, there's like the plot twist. So really, both of them are gone. They do not exist in this earth. It's just their souls. Their souls are dancing. That is the last remaining like memory of their soul that's trapped in that book. So when that book opens, you see what I mean? My imagination goes very wild.